Hello everyone! Did you review what we learned in the previous class? Then, it's time to take a vocabulary test. Take out your pen and paper. You're going to face 20 questions and you should answer them within 3 minutes. You know how to take a test, right? Just put the right alphabet for each number. For example, number 1, A, number 2, C, number 3, G, and so on. Okay, are you ready? Then, 3, 2, 1, let's go! Okay, it's over. Now, compare your answer sheet to the correct answer. Well done! How was your score? Just let me know in the comment or on Hello Talk app. And don't forget to check your incorrect answers. Good! See you tomorrow for our new lesson and bye-bye!